As more companies require the COVID vaccine, a lot of people may be looking for medical exemptions to get out of taking the shot.
And under California law, employers are required to accept medical and religious vaccine exemptions.
News 8's Abby Alford takes a look at what are legitimate religious and medical conditions to get one.
Many faith leaders have come out to say that they are not endorsing any religious exemption from getting the COVID vaccine. But we wanted to take a look to see if there are any religions or medical conditions that could exempt you from getting the shot.
What we're seeing more of when we're counseling employers are requests for religious accommodations.
The Pope is encouraging vaccines, and San Diego Bishop Robert McElroy told priests to decline exemptions.
There are very few, if any, organized religions that say you should not get vaccinated.
Christian denominations that have theological objection to vaccines are Dutch Reformed congregations and, in some cases, Church of Christ scientists. We spoke to labor and employer attorney Arlene Yang.
It's a tricky situation, but employers are allowed to ask for information to understand what the religious belief is.
Now we go to infectious disease physician at Rady Children's Hospital in UC San Diego, Dr. Mark Sawyer, for the science behind medical vaccine exemptions. He says that there are not many allergies that could exempt you unless a polyethylene glycol known as PEG found in the Moderna and Pfizer vaccine.
But by allergic reaction, I'm talking anaphylaxis, which is a serious, life-threatening kind of reaction. I'm not talking about a rash.
He also says that cancer patients and autoimmune diseases such as lupus are not exempt from the COVID vaccine.
There is no vaccine ever that's been linked to worsening of your symptoms of autoimmune disease.
Heart conditions may vary. If you have multi-system inflammatory syndrome known as MIS-C in children, you too could be exempt, as well as the neurological condition called Guillain-Barré syndrome.
It's a known complication of vaccines as well as a complication of the natural infections.
Dr. Sawyer says, bottom line, vaccine benefits far outweigh the risk. The California Medical Board says any physician who grants an exemption without finding any legitimate medical reason could face disciplinary action.